equal order, an equal member of this House. Nobody should complain that an opportunity is being given to another member of Parliament. That is the basic rule you get to. Proceed, Honorable Raso.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I don't know why members are complaining. I am almost like an authority on this particular matter.
Absolutely.
I trained in the UK, and I am very versed with BATUK training in Kenya. They are offered the best training facility in the world. Unfettered, total access, without any limitation by any Kenyan authority. And that particular fact should not be abused by anybody. Honorable Speaker, the historical relationship between Kenya and the UK is one thing, but troops behaving badly is another thing altogether. And we cannot say that this will affect our diplomatic relationship. Not at all. The forces that train in Kenya, whether Americans, British, or others, are visiting forces which deploy liaison officers so that any visiting forces do not do anything wrong and towards the municipal laws of this country. And, Speaker, what I read about this report by committee of the Kenya National Assembly, it is the issue of responsibility, accountability, transparency, rule of law, respect for the municipal laws of this country. What the committee is asking is telling BATUK, do exactly what you do in your own country, and all kinds of lethal ammunition. If they don't explode, the basic tenets in military training and doctrine is go and look for those unexploded ammunition and dispose them off. On the Kenyan rangelands that they are less populated, there are very few people, but that does not give anybody the opportunity not to dispose of those lethal ammunition that are likely to injure the civilians who are likely to stray on those rangelands with their livestock. Honorable Speaker, Defense Cooperation Agreement between Kenya and the UK must serve both in equal measure. That when you are going for equity, then you must come with clean hands. Yes, people can talk, but there are two important articles that even new members who are joining this House must learn. Article 95, that a matter of concern to the people, and Article 94, sub-article 5, nothing will have a force of law unless it is passed by this House. Honorable Speaker, my worry, and greatest one for that matter, the British have one of the best armies in the world that are very well trained, very well disciplined, very well commanded and managed, but people should not come to Kenya and do things which they don't do in their own country. For that reason, I think it doesn't affect any diplomatic relations between our two countries. But the commanders who bring their forces for training.
One more minute.
Thank you, Speaker. What I was saying is those commanders who will bring their forces for training in Kenya must take full responsibility And that command responsibility will eliminate all these nuances that we are seeing, that there are soldiers who will kill civilians, who will carry out rape, or who will engage in sex with youngsters that they wouldn't be allowed to do in their own countries. Finally, Mr. Speaker, I want to say no one should escape scrutiny, especially if that is breaking the law. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Raso, you trained in the US, the same way, or the UK, the same way British soldiers are training in our country. You did not have any immunity against criminal activities. Maybe you should educate the members on that. Did you have any immunity? Give him the...
Mr. Speaker, I trained both in the UK and in the US. I trained in Pakistan, in Germany. And wherever you arrive in that country for training, you are taken through an induction. These are do's and don'ts, so that you stay within a straitjacket of the municipal laws of the host country. So that is why you will never go against the law. Yep. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Fair enough.